Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to write the numeral 2. Yesterday we looked at things that came in twos, like doubles, and eyes. We have two eyes, two hands, 2 feet. Now today we are going to write the numeral 2. There's a song I'd like to teach you whilst we're writing the numeral. I'm going to teach you that song, and I want you to learn it so that every time you write the numeral 2, you will remember how to write it by learning that song. So let's begin by writing the day. We go to the margin and we do one stroke across. Take your time, do it nicely. Very good. Now from the top, we go down, down, and we touch that blue line and stop. Next, we do the down, curve it, go back up, stop. Then we go down and get ready to bump it. Bump it. Very good. The eh, one stroke across. Now we do halfway around to make that eh. See how it sits nicely on the line? All your letters must sit on the line. Let's do this halfway around, bend the corner and out. Right? We let that sit on the line. Let's do the D. Halfway around, like a curly. Now remember this letter goes all the way up like a helicopter. So we're going up, up, all the way up like a helicopter. Stop, come back down, down, and bump it. Very good. Let's do the A. Halfway around again. Make him sit on the line. Good. Now we go up, come back down, bump it. Let's do the Y. Down, curve it, up. Now, remember the letter Y likes to have his leg hanging down. So let's go. We're letting his leg hang down and he also has his tail. So start bending for his tail. Very good. So we have Tuesday. Let's write maths. Now we go to the next line and we do one nice stroke down. Let's just like that. Next we do slanting down. Then we go slanting up. And guess what? Slanting down again. Sorry, straight down. That's a straight line down. Now let's do the halfway around. So the up, down, bump it. Next we do the down, curve it, bump it. One stroke across. Let's do the down, up, around, down, bump it. Halfway around, bend the corner and out. So we have Tuesday and we have maths. Now I want you to put your pencils down. Very good. I want you to listen to me now. I'm going to sing the song. And as I sing the song, I'm going to show you how to write the numeral 2. It's quite easy once you listen and pay attention. Okay? Now let's go. Listen. No writing yet. Halfway around and then across. Halfway around and then across. Halfway around and then across. That's the figure two. So the song goes halfway around and then across, halfway around and then across, halfway around and then across. That's the figure two. Right? That's how we sing the song and that's how we write it. Now it's your turn. Take your pencils up for me and I'm going to sing that song. I know some of you already know this song, so you can sing along. Okay? And whilst we sing, of course, we have to write. So let's go. Ready? We sing it slowly first. Halfway around and then across. You have that? Let's go. Halfway around and then across. Halfway around and then across. That's the figure two. Let's do one more. Halfway around and then across. Halfway around and then across. Halfway around and then across. That's the figure two. That's how we write the numeral two. Now, in the next line, we are going to draw two things. Now, in Spanish, the word two means dos. We have uno is one and two is dos. So we're going to draw two circles. Let's go all the way around and fill it in. How many more do we need to make two? That's right, one more. Do one more, fill it in. Good. Now let's do um, two lollipops. So let's make the lollipop's head, put the whole way around, another whole way around, and the stick. That's the lollipop stick. So we have one, two. Count it. One, two. Now let's think of one more set of two things. What about two clouds in the sky? Are you ready? Now clouds are bumpy, so we make some bumps all the way around like that. That's one cloud. Let's do another cloud. Bumpy marks all around. Right, so now we have two clouds. So we have two circles. One, two, count it with me. One, two, two lollipops. One, two, two clouds. One, two. Very good. Now you can practice writing two more lines of the same thing in your mathematics book. You write the numeral 2 and write or draw two sets of objects under each numeral 2. Remember the song? Halfway around and then across, halfway around and then across, halfway around and then across. That's the figure 2.